Usaha na dalam di Banua waturanga ikroliu wana turanga na buniwal. Itu usaha na Mr. Pinit Singh na Director di Pacific Energy and Joinery Limited ka partner talaga ni Cagivou Investment. Ito ko na turangan na chairman ni Bosnia sana o turango seru ito ko sa talaga na Taukei Burintu. Ito ko Jerry Tuay na ambassador ni Cagivou Investment. Ito ko talaga na turangan na italtala. Ito ko na liu ni nontatou ve chikungo na ono Kinoya kena matalotu dito ko talaga na linga ni Bengaravi ni Cagivou Investment. Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the area we are gathered here today. Di Banua ko matin korbatu na ibisere wana turanga na lilu ni Abusa Kalambu, the past, current, and its future leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, of the most significant challenges we encountered upon assuming office in 2022 was the little or non-involvement of i-Taukei in economic activities of our nation, particularly concerning business ownership and commercial enterprise. These issues was underscored by the alarming statistics indicating that i-Taukei makes up 75% of those who live in poverty. Therefore, it is with great gratitude and honor that I stand before you this morning as the Minister of i-Taukei Affairs to officially launch this investment, the Cagivou Investment Partnership between Mr. Singh and the Turangan Ibunivalu of Serua. May I firstly express my sincere thanks to Mr. Singh of Pacific Electrical and Joinery Limited for extending the hand of business friendship to the Banua of Koroleu. Your initiative will bring good opportunities to the people of Serua. Not only the people of Serua, this venture will also have positive impact in Kinoya and the neighboring areas, as it will bring employment opportunities and service near to their doorsteps. On behalf of the government, I say Binagavaleu. Today also serve as a testament to your vision and collective efforts aimed at enhancing the economic prosperity of the Banua of Serua, which align with the objective of our ministry. Our ministry is dedicated to realizing the vision and has established a pathway to achieve it. Through the Solosolevaki framework, for the first time in our history, the 5 i-Taukei institutions have united to support i-Taukei and resource owners in attaining economic well-being. The i-Taukei Land Trust Board, i-Taukei Trust Fund, i-Taukei Affairs Board, Fijian Holdings, and Nandave Center for Advanced Technology and Development are now collaborating to creating a framework that ensure sustainability in economic activities for the i-Taukei resource owners, from the capacity building through training to identifying suitable commercial activities and preparing them for investment. The Solesolovaci framework serves as a vehicle for effectively utilizing the resources of this institution to assist i-Taukei and Fijian communities. With the guidance of the Ministry and the combined resources of the 5 institutions, i-Taukei entrepreneurs now have access to approximately 60 million in funding. Today's event exemplifies what can be achieved when you unite as a multicultural community. We at the Ministry are of the view that even though we primarily focus in uplifting the lives of the i-Taukei, we believe that we cannot operate in isolation, and that if we fully utilize our uniqueness in being a multiracial nation, we can achieve greater things. Our resources, together with the entrepreneurial skills of our other communities, is a perfect combination to achieving success. We must dispel the lies that have brought many turmoils to our nations and change the narrative of racism that have hindered the success of our nation. Today is the testament of this. I may express my thanks once again to Mr. Singh of Pacific Electrical and Joinery Limited for extending the hands of business friendship to the Vanua of Koroleu. This partnership will serve as a beacon of success for our nation. Today I give my assurance that we are ready to provide support on any areas that needs assistance for the venture. With those few words, it is indeed an honor for me to officially launch the Cagivou investment. Pinasar volume.
Yang ni kalau katamanda kinul bena kinal tam. Ni mami kalau yang salah vete gibi kemni, kena dolavi na vali binga rabingo. Ke mami kila ni sini karora na tos biliu. Ya sarora ni kuni saliu te ke mami kina ni mami turana. Ani mami was ni viva kalau ngataki sadur lo ni bubalingo. Ya lo bena naturan ke ba duru masar kina kena binga rab kena. Me adu kina lo mamuni me bakasada tu me lo malai. Namo na masu na dai chisu na ni mami turanga. Ya adu muni ni mami wambul. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen.